Alright, so as you guys can see, majority of my head is done. So this is how my hair is looking right now. I still need to do this side, and I wanted to go ahead and do this side on camera so you guys can see what exactly I did to do this. Now, if you guys are familiar with my Yairu unboxing video, which I will link down below in the description box, as well as in the cards, but basically, I did like an unboxing first impressions about this hair because this hair is actually pre-twisted. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I did a video showing you guys how I installed pre-twisted passion twist in with my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this hair out of the way. And as you guys can see, I have two sections parted, or two sections divided, and I'm getting ready to individually part like you see here so I can show you guys exactly what I did. All right, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed oil gel, and I'm going to apply it to this part of my hair first. Now I'm going to take my private label extensions edge control, which I did do a review on, so I will link that video down below in the description box as well as in the cards. But I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm going to apply it right here, my edges, and then right here, so it'll just be easier for me to divide the hair and start twisting. Now I'm gonna take my ragtail comb and I'm going to, go ahead and divide this. See how many I can do. Take a rubber band.
Ryan Little.
So as y'all can see, I divided these two. And what I'm gonna do, I didn't do this to the back of my hair. I started doing it in the front. What I'm gonna do, these sections of my hair, I'm gonna divide my hair into two pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair. Twisted my hair, so as you guys can see, this is how my hair is looking. So this is how the hair looks. As you guys can see, this is a T1B27, and the hair is already pre-twisted. Now they sent me 6 packs of hair. I am on the 4th pack, but as you guys can see, I only have so many left, so I'll probably end up using probably 4 to 5 of these. So I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looks one last time. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle and put it under the rubber band. Then since the twist is pre-twisted, it still has the loop at the end. So I'm gonna take the loop of the pre-twisted hair and put it at the hook of the crochet needle. close, where's it at? Close the needle, then pull the needle through the other side. Then this same loop, I'm gonna take my natural hair twist, bring it through the loop of the passion twist and pull. So pretty much the same method that I usually would do when I DIY passion twists, having to twist them. Same method, it's just this time the hair is pre-twisted, so it doesn't take a lot of time to do. So now I'm gonna take my hair, twist it a little bit with the passion twist. Then I'm going to take a little section of the passion twist, unravel it a little bit, pull my hair through the little hoop, twist, twist, unravel the passion twist, pull my hair through, twist, unravel, twist. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of edge control and twist it towards the end of where my hair ended in the twist, and just twist to make sure I lock it up. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. Take the crochet needle, take the loop of the passion twist, pull through, pull, twist, 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 unravel, pull through, twist, twist, unravel, pull through, twist, unravel. Okay. All right, so there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead, do this section. I'm going to speed through this part. You guys should get the hang of what exactly I'm doing. So I'm gonna speed through this process. I'm gonna go ahead and divide these probably into 3, and you guys will see the final look.
Ryan Little.
complete now. So you guys pretty much know the drill. I'm getting ready to use my Herbal Essence Body Envy Volumizing Mousse. This is a different one that I'm using this time. So it looks like this. So put on my hand, and I put this to decrease frizziness of the twists. So I'm just gonna do this all over my head. So since the twists are pre-twisted, I don't have to worry about locking the ends. As you guys can see, the ends are pretty much like they are. So this is pretty much how they look. I don't remember the length of these. They might be 18 inches or 20 inch. I feel like it's 20 inch, but I will let you guys know again in the review. I'll be doing a review about these pre-twisted passion twists as well as a 1 week update. So those two will be combined in the same video. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure you guys check out my unboxing video about this hair. It'll be linked down below once again. And I will also link and put in the cards my other passion twist tutorial, so you guys can check that out if you have not. But I'm really excited to see how these pre-twisted passion twists come out. I want to see if they last a little bit longer compared to DIY passion twist, or if they're going to not too much last any longer than what mine usually lasts. So we'll see about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, as well as share this video with all your family and your friends. Tell them to subscribe to me. And of course, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Y'all, I'm a little out of breath. I don't know why, but please ignore that. But anywho, once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.
Brian Little.